things we need. So for making Achilles, Turbo Achilles, we need some cardboard and we need tape. Sellotape will work, and we need scissors, and I have taken out a printout of Achilles, and you can also take a black and white printout and color it. So, and the last but not least, you need some Fevicol glue. So let's get started. So I have taken out the printout, and we will stick it here and cut it out. So I have pasted this printout on cardboard, and I have taken out this piece. You can see because this from here only the launcher will fit in the printout in this Beyblade. Also, we have to repeat this layering on the cardboard 3 times more. Now we need to tape the edges of this Beyblade with the sellotape. Now we have taped the edges. As you can see, they are very smooth. And now we're gonna the disc of Achilles. So let's start. So I have taken this my previous year notebook, textbook. So you can take any of the page from any used page you can take. Here the page from my textbook, as you can see, and now we have to roll it to make a stick. So let's start. Okay. So we have to create a stick like this. As Aarav is rolling, that takes a minute, I think. And now we have to put glue on the side, or you can use tape also. Here. Okay, almost there. Yep. So like this, we have to make a stick. And now what do we have to do, Aarav? We'll squish this stick. Yes, like this. We have to squish the stick. And now we have to roll it over and over. Okay, so how? But you need this driver. So this is a sketch pen top. So you can take any sketch pen top, but I'm using this. So we have to do the same process as we have done with this paper, but do a small and roll it. And we have to measure this cap is fitting in this. So that's how we make it. Aarav had a one, so he showed that one. And let's roll it over. Now we have to roll it over. Okay. And now we have to tape it. Okay, where's the tape? I need to tape. 1 second. Is we have to tape it, but don't tape it on the driver, just tape it on this, and we have to keep in mind that it fits like this. Our Beyblade will be. Now we have to stick this into our Beyblade layer, yes. Like that. Yeah. Then we will fix this like that. Okay, Aarav. Like this, we have to tape it on the edge with this so it will stick nicely. It should be nice and strong, so don't use less tape, use more tape. It's finally done. So now let's test it out. Okay. Except it's too long. Okay, see, it's spinning. In hand spin, it's good. Bye bye.